For over 35 years, Baumann is providing economical, reliable packaging and labeling equipment for thousands of companies worldwide. Our horizontal form, fill, and seal, or thermoforming packaging machines, offer the newest innovative packaging technology into a variety of thermoforming packaging configuration. How does a thermoform packaging machine work? A roll of forming bottom film is placed onto the machine. This film transforms the former pocket. Product is filled inside the pack. The pack lid is sealed with the top film and then cut into individual packages. Okay. In the forming station, pockets are formed when the film is heated with a Teflon-coated heating plate. When the lower web has been heated up, it is pulled down into the mold with the help of compressed air or vacuum. There is a selection of interchangeable packaging configurations. The depth of the package can be adjusted by adding distance space plates. Once the product is placed into the pocket from the filling station, the gripper chain on each side of the machine advances the package to the sealing station, where air is removed. Gas can be added if necessary and then sealed. Once sealed, packages advances to the cutting station, where packages are cut both direction. The cutting knife's configuration can easily be changed.
Reliable and economical food packing systems.
We offer the machines and the support backup.
CWL. SmartVac, Global Distributor Network.
Do you need more information about our thermoforming machines? Please reach out to us. We are ready to help. Find your contact person on +61 02 720 521 70. Thank you for your attention.